So what I found interesting about the event was how they talked about the difference between being black and being African. So being black is more of a visual term and is used to stereotype a lot of people as a kind of group or team, whereas African can relate to a particular group of people with, or a certain skin colour or something like that.
What I learned is that there's different types of environments that we all live in. We need to be there for culture, food, and we need to protect that kind of stuff.
Okay. What I learned is that we made up some stuff and then other people copied it. What I learned was about more about my history, but it was from my perspective. So at school we don't really get to learn from our perspective. It's more about the oppressor's perspective. And also I got to build a new words like photosynthesis and organisms. And yeah.
So you have an extended family. So listen very carefully. So she's got her parents that she's mentioned are Jamaicans, and now she's talking about the extended family. It's very important that you follow the thread. Remember when you were speaking before and you spoke about what makes your habitat special? Other word for habitat is home. I'm just doing that because the young man just came in. So don't mind if I'm repeating everything. It's just so that you can catch up with us quickly. Yeah? My thread is lost. Got it back. Yeah. So she's saying that she's from Jamaica. Yeah? So the influence of family, which is very valuable, she's speaking about that. And she's further going into how much the family, not only does she have a direct family, which is her mother and her father, but she's now speaking about the grandparents and the other relatives, which make the extended family, possibly uncles and aunts. It sounds like she's talking about having big affairs at the house. Yes? Does everyone understand that?
Yeah.
It's really important. So what makes her habitat, her home special, is the family and the extended family. And the idea is that they can speak about the culture from a Jamaican aspect, and they do it through food and conversation.
My African Jamaican culture. In my culture, we eat jollof rice, jerk chicken, but sometimes we eat patties. In my culture, we play instruments such as the djembe. In my culture, we play a steel pan. In my culture, we grow plants. In my culture, when I grew up, I like to planting. In my culture, we eat patties.
Always someone came along and they took your jollof rice, your patties, your jerk chicken, everything, steel pans, djembe drums. What would you do?
Grow some plants. Well, you just grow rice and make my own supermarket. I would recycle materials such as plastic to make my own djembe drum. I would farm chicken. Use materials to make your own steel pan.